And this workstation is for kind of like manually, you know. So when the battery module is being laser cleaned for the per terminal pole, you can actually have the workers to install on the top of the battery pole, and then we will have this BusBar, and then we'll just manually put the BusBar on this different kind of design according to the design over here. Okay, and you will just do the laser welding from here to the battery pole. Let's go. So this workstation is for the laser welding workstation. Usually we will use 6,000 watts and 4 pressing head to laser weld all the BusBar together with the battery pole.